Okay, at this point you should have a bulkier tag that you're happy with. And the last part is we're just going to put the text on it, but we just want to make sure that we're putting it on something right. Now, when you do the text on this, it's going to be printed face down. That's going to make the text be on the nicest surface. We can also do graphics and all kinds of other stuff, but for today, we just are trying to get the basics down. I'm going to go my sketch menu, choose text, come out on the screen. I'm going to select a plane or a face, and that's that one right there. And I'm actually going to do the writing up here. So I'm going to click up above, and I'm going to put in my text. And my text is going to be OCHS or whatever makes you happy. I'm going to make it bold. And I can also flip it horizontally and vertically until we get it where we want. You can grab the blue dot to pull it down. Now, it's much too small right now. I'd suggest you try 1 inch if you can. 1 inch is going to be too big for that text, so let's try 3/4. And I can choose anything I want to in between if what they're offering me isn't going to work. So I can try 0.85. That works. And I'm going to drag it to roughly the right spot. Now, if I want a different font, I can choose a different typeface. This is Arial. If I choose something strange like this one, I'm probably going to get a very unsatisfactory result. That's just not a super font. But if it's large enough, you can. You always want to do bold on this because we're going to be digging this into the filament. I'm going to go back to just plain Jane Arial for right now. Click on OK. And now move your mouse over the text and you should see it turn blue when you do. Right click. I'm going to go to press pull and I'm going to turn slightly so that I have access. Press escape to get out of that mode, and I'm going to go down. It's going to automatically do cut, and I want to go down minus 0.09. That's a 1/16 of an inch, and this is an 1/8 of an inch thick, so that'll leave half the material left. Now I can go all the way through, but the problem I've got with this is the O would be hanging in space, so I'm only going to go part way through. Click on OK. And I now should see a nice satisfactory text ready to go. Escape. We're going to save what we've done. And now I'm going to go to Make, choose 3D Print. I can tell it to go to Cura by choosing Send to 3D Print Utility. Or if I just choose OK, it's going to save that. If you need to save it to a memory stick, you can now choose that memory key from your menu, or you can save it to wherever you want to call it. The STL file is going to be the file you're going to actually print. Give it a name that's something meaningful, and you're all set to go.